Hello everybody, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so dear friends, today if I talk about how can I speaking English. Okay, so dear friends, actually English is a global language and English is a international language and it can brings many benefits to our personal and professional life. Okay, so that is why I start for learning English. Okay, so dear friends, actually English is learning time so many problem. It also my problem. In my case, I also this problem face, and this problem actually I can't speak English fluently, and I can't fluent English, speaking English. Okay, and I understand speaking English. Actually, I understand English, and I cannot speaking English fluently. Okay, so that is the problem, and I think this problem everyone this problem, and I think it's a doesn't matter when you beginning time. It's a doesn't matter, and day by day your English is improvement, and English is also you can start when you're free time and spend time. Actually you can start this journey, and so dear friends, this is the way for learning English. And so when I start learning English, so that time my so many mistake for learning English, and nowadays also mistake, and mistakes are everybody, and it's don't worry about making mistakes, and mistakes happen to everybody. I think it's a doesn't matter, and you know uh, you can I think I was every actually every motivational speaker you suggest for every moment for learning English. When you starting time, it's a so many mistake, and you cannot mistake, and you cannot speak English, and your mistakes is very important. You know, you cannot mistake, and the time you not for speaking English very well. So thank you.